What's good, everybody? I am coming back to you on my beautiful Street Fighter. And I just have something stuck in my left eye, which I have to close and blink and stuff to get it out of there. Hello. Fucking left. I don't know. It's like dirt, gunk, something big. It's really uncomfortable. Anyways, it's just moved out of the way. What I'm up to today is another juicy night ride. And it's going to be a bit of a long one from me, so it might end up being, again, a two-parter. So what I'm up to now is going over, picking up, I'm grabbing one of our learners, and we're going to head down to the meet. Gonna have a little bit of a ride. Alright, I'll keep right. Yeah, we're gonna have a bit of a ride, night ride. I believe this might be her first night ride, so we're going to be taking it a little bit on the easy side and not doing anything too goddamn hectic, because being that I'm the one grabbing her, I'm the one responsible for her. And I am really hoping I don't have a repeat with the last learner I took out. Well, technically I didn't take out, my friend did, and he's the one who was supposed to be in charge of that, but whatever. But yeah, so grabbing the learner, she and I are going to go pick up another person or another two people, and then we're going to boost down to the start point, and then we'll take it from there. Now, I did do a bit of chain maintenance, so I'm a little you'll probably see me looking down in that general direction if I... Woo! Damn, that was a bit of a hiccup. Yeah, I did some chain maintenance and whatnot, so you might see me checking up on the chain essentially, because you know, when you clean your chain, re-grease it, sometimes you put a little, well, even if you put a little bit of grease, it still manages to just make an absolute mess once you go riding. I did move the bike around, ride around 2 or 3 times so that, you know, the chain would flick all the excess grease off, but even on the second time that I did that, it was still quite a considerable amount popping onto my Acro system. And if anyone knows anything about titanium, that's not a good idea. Especially like hot grease sitting on titanium pipes, and if you don't wipe it off too fast, you know, it ends up burning the goddamn titanium, and titanium looks ugly. Really goddamn ugly. So I am gonna probably keep an eye on it, but when I reach where I need to go, I'm almost guaranteed that there will be a bit of a mess down there, so I will have to, yeah, keep on top of that. Shut up. You got it. Oh, okie dokie. Picked up our learner. Let's head on out. Now, we are heading to another fuel station, pick up someone else, and then, yeah, heading to the meet. Someone got caught in neutral. Now we're heading to the meet for everyone else. Fucking Josh. Let them all pass you. I recording? Yes. Yes, I am. Now, I forgot to plug my battery bank in. So, we're all here. 11 people strong. This is gonna be bloody interesting. But I'm at the back, where I love being, because I get to enjoy the ride. And not do anything stupid. Plus, I have little one with me, so I am gonna behave, because I'm in charge of her safety and all that stuff and things. Look at this guy. Look at this dude. She doesn't much care for the dude. He's a bit of a creepo. Music to my ears. Ella's coming to the back for some reason. But yeah, like I was saying, I think it was like 10 or 11 people who were a strong group. Like, would have said in the past, I'm not a fan of big groups because it's easy to get split up, especially with being around in the city. There is so many lights and stuff to break up the group, not to mention cars and people, you know. So many cars and stuff will just intervene, and like when we were trying to get out of the car park just then, like, yeah, we technically shouldn't have done what we did on going in the opposite side of the lane to actually get into a right side of the lane. That was a yikes kind of thing to do. But yeah, cars are just like, they don't just understand that we're just trying to stick as a group so we don't get lost. But they'll just buck in and interject, and you know, it's bloody annoying as shit. It's super annoying. Dude, keep moving. Stop. Holy shit, man. Oh man, you need to just fuck off. Like, he's sitting in the wrong side of the lane and pushing me so far back. Holy shit. Okay, but otherwise, nice, calm and little run. It's a nice run actually, especially to do it at night. It's quite chilling.